Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Ford F-350 Super Duty Lariat package, clean CARFAX. It's a 6.7 liter turbo diesel. That Powerstroke sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the tow hooks up front along with the fog lights, fixed running boards, painted alloy wheels, FX4 off-road package that'll have the skid plates with it, and there is the tailgate step. I'll go ahead and put that down and show you the rest of the truck. Oh, mention at this point that it does have a fifth wheel prep. Okay, you see it also has a power sliding back window. There's your tow receiver. So it does have black pinhole leather seats. 110 volt outlet right there along with the 12 volt. See that these rear seats are heated. Here's a shot of the VIN right here, and I will upload a still photo of that as well. Okay, as you look down the bottom left hand corner, you'll see that it has 38,105 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your cruise control, your push to talk, your stereo controls. Then your key fobs actually have a remote start on them. That's very cool. Okay, and then you got a 2- and 4-wheel drive, another 12 volt power outlet right here, and then your tow settings and upfitter switches, another 110 volt outlet right here, another 12 volt, and then you have your comfort controls. As you come up here, you're going to notice that you have both cooled and heated front seats, and then your stereo, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, an SD card, or audio video. That's your auxiliary port. And you do have your disk drive right here. And we'll go ahead and bounce on back home again. And you'll see here that it is equipped with navigation. You're going to see the backup camera. We'll put in reverse. There's the backup camera. Okay, and as you come up above, you have your map reading lights, sunglasses holder, and your controls for your sunroof. And then down in here, you have a bunch of room for stowage, and then another 12 volt power outlet. And that about wraps it up for this Ford on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.